Outside.
Why?
So you gotta
There's nowhere to sit outside.
You gotta pee?
No, I gotta puke.
That's what the restroom's for.
I know.
No.
No, not yet.
I gotta
Okay, give me this. And bathroom's that way.
puke. Why is that that way?
I don't know, that's how they designed it. You want to see what he did to the toilet? You gotta see the toilet.
Yeah. You should take a picture. Oh, God.
Your food.
Who's
Your
it?
food's over there.
Look at my chips. Go sit down. Come on.
Want more water?
So how you feeling, buddy?
So much.
How you feeling?
I think
What's the matter?
Energy drink, because I know that energy drink tasted funny.
You know what I think it was?
Where are you going?
Over there.
Why?
The spinach thing was delicious.
That made me sick.
Yes.
That made me sick.
Alright, alright. Hopefully this time you aim inside the toilet. Whoop, 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 whoop. Nope, that's a woman, that's a woman. This is your puking mess.
We're staying here.
Sleepy? You look like you're sleepy. Do you sleep with a teddy bear? You sleep naked? You don't wear boxers to sleep?
That's my sub.
That's not his.
I'm not even that hungry. Take it.
Not yet, Mark. We're not leaving yet. Mark, come back.
Stay inside.
Why?
Because we have
I
to.
can't.
Why not? Because why? Because why?
This is Subway.
Go sit down.
I can't.
Go sit down.
I'm sorry.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit somewhere. I don't care where you sit. Just sit anywhere. Oh.
Do you get